Hello everyone, welcome to my video. And before jumping the video, I want to introduce myself in short that this is Viplav Hossain Rahul and I am from Meherpur district and study right at present times I'm studying at Dhaka University right now. So actually I have planned to make videos because I'm just completed already 10 video in before but today is my first time for coming in this Learn English Today group because as I understand that there are some people like Dayal Chandra is good speaker there. Like some guys are trying to develop themselves to make some videos and upload it. So I'm just coming, like same like us. So actually today I'm going to talk about whenever you catch some movie, okay, you can just give some like a movie review, and it will be very helpful for people to understand that what types of movie is that. So yesterday I went to my brother's house, and his name is Tawfiq Islam. So whenever I go there, I just I catch a movie. This movie name is Notebook. First of all, I'm just like into the pen drive and coming the house. First of all, I think that this movie is like Notebook, and this movie is English subtitle. But whenever I catch on that this movie is totally in English. So it's in Hindi. So I think that no, I don't should watching this movie because it's the first time. But I don't like Hindi movies. I like Hollywood or English movies with subtitles also, so that I can learn something. So I'm just coming and feeling just raised, and so I think that because this movie is nice name like Notebook, so we have to know that like why this movie is called the Notebook. Okay, so this is our main topic. Actually, this Notebook is dimension is that like this movie is a contacted Stephen's notebook. Like there is a notebook there, and this notebook is full of articles, and like the actors are reading this notebook and just going to be like movie. Okay, so in the main part is it's a very good movie. I'm just request to all of persons, all of members, just watching this movie, like this Notebook movie. Actually, this movie is trying to teach us that how to struggle in a adversity situations. Okay, like in this movie, we can see that like there is a island, and on one island there is one school, and it's really distant areas. There is no electricity, there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no data connection. So the actor, like his name is Kobi sir. So just he wanted to teach them. And so before this school, there are lots of teachers appointed, but they are not stay long time, just there for apart, and they resign because this is very like island areas, and people cannot going outside because it's full of river. It's full of river. So the hero think that because if we going to go in this island, so yeah, I can prove myself that yes, I know that how to survive in the adversity situations to be alive. So the heroes go there. The heroes go there. The islands, like there is small school there, and on the school just for like there are some villages there. So the students coming from this village by boat. So it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous situation. So the hero is just teaching them to recover. They are really illiterate people. So they have no any idea. They have just included just some superstitions, some bad ideas. So that's why hero wanted to teach them so that they can be remove their superstitions. That's why he go there, and whenever he go there, he gets so many problems. Like he just remove all the problems and go, and as finally he reaches this school, but there was no any students right now. So the teachers asked the caretaker that so why student can come. So the caretaker said that this is very distant schools from the main town. So that's why many teachers are appointed, but they are just leave because of these dangerous situations. Because in this situation there is no electricity, there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no network connections. That's why people are boarding and the teachers leave the school. But you are the only one that can be coming, and you want to say that I want to survive, I want to stay in this school. So okay, that's great. So next day, the teachers and on caretaker are going to the village areas and say that yes, I'm the new teachers, so I am to teach them and to teach your son, teach your daughter. So please send our school. So because of convincing the hero, like Obi sir, to the village people, so that the village are some like just three families are trying to focus their studies. That's why they are send their son and daughter to the school. So yeah, this is going very well. Like Kobe sir get 7 students on his school, so it's going very well. But there is a problem. It happens. That can be happens in every teacher lives. So the Kobe sir is thinking that one day the 7 students with 1 teachers stay like in islands in a school. So that think that the storm is coming. The so much strong storm is coming to destroy the school. So on the night, like there was no person in the areas, beside areas, just for 7 students and 1 teacher is there. So they are so much scared. They're so much afraid. That's, oh my God, what to do? There is not a person who can help me. So then the storm is coming and destroyed one of the schools. So the teachers are very worried, very scared that if the 1 student will die, so what can I do first? So yeah, so the storm is happened and it's destroying one of part. Then, so this situation is mean that if you lose your hope, so you'll fall down. The teacher didn't give up. Okay, he never gave up. Yeah, what should I do? If the storm is coming, it's a national disaster, so now destroying on a part of the school. So I don't never give up my hope. So he again trying to reconstruct the schools, and so we mean that if this situation is mean that if we get a bad situation, so we never lose. Okay, we never give up hope. We have hope that yes, prosperity is coming one day. So it's like teach the people, the students. So the teachers again build this building again, and we are starting also the teaching professions. So like this teacher is proof that yes, if you have a strongly confident, if you have a strongly belief, if you have a strongly hope, so you can remove all the like problems in any situation. So that's why I'm just creating this video, and I hope it will be very much beneficiated for you to get a good hope, because we have lots of bad situation right now. Is COVID-19 is spreading day by day, so we never give up lose, and Allah help us. Just stay home and stay safe, and I hope that it will be vanished within 2 or 3 months. Inshallah, Allah want to. So okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that it will be give you some tips and give you some inspiration that you have to keep hope in bad situation. Okay, that's why I'm just trying to give some movie review today, because it's first time for watching the Indian movie or Bollywood movie. This movie is a Notebook name, and I just request all the members, all the person who are in my friend list in Facebook, so just watching this movie is Notebook. You can go YouTube, you can go the Netflix, you can go like the KX Network website, so you can easily get this movie like Notebook. And beside this movie is totally social. If you can together your family, whole family, you can watching to both of you inside together only, so that is no problem. And there is a good song here, so I hope you can get some pleasure to watching this kind of video or this kind of movie. So okay, thank you all, and thank you everyone for having with me. I hope that this video will be helpful to understand that we have to keep hope in bad situations. And thank you again, and I want to thank you Said, Akash, and some of guys who can give some students the opportunity to practicing themselves to learn English. And I love English so much. I want to be a native speaker one day, inshallah. So I'm just doing my course here. So okay, thank you so much. Thank you, my brother, for capturing this video, and thank you so much. Bye bye.